Rob. She just have a bath and she went to her bed. Wake up. Look at your hair. Sweat. She doesn't like hair dryer. So I just wiped the towel. Night night. Night night. She hit the bath. You don't like water. Yes? Why you don't like water? Ayaw niyang maligo. Ba't ayaw mong maligo? Ha? Natutulog ka na? Basa pa yung buhok mo eh. You cold? You cold? Ang pretty girl, basa pang buhok mo, da. Saan ang mata mo? Natabunan ang mata mo, oh. Natabunan ang mata mo. Ha? Shout! 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 Ha? Ha? Ow! Ow! Huff! 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 Galit ka? Galit siya kasi pinaliguan ko. Galit ka ba? Galit ka? Ano yan? Parang may muta ka pa yata. At parang may muta ka pa. Kailangan natin gupitin yan. Matigas na yung muta mo eh. Hala. Nangindat. Sige na nga, maligo na ako, Ruby. Hala, nangindat. Ay, beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes.